Fine. Well, let me solve the problem number 7 based on 2020 Sainik entrance examination. Right. In the figure, find the ratio of number of triangles to the number of circles inside the rectangle and the number of squares, all the figures inside the rectangle. Right. There are two answers we are supposed to find. Okay. Here, find the ratio of a number of triangles to the number of circles. This is the problem, simple problem based on ratio and proportion. Right, ratio and proportion. Right, let us check out. This is a rectangle, correct? And this is circle, and this is triangle, and this is square, correct? Now we are supposed to count and place it. That's it. Now see here. Find the ratio of a number of triangles. So triangles and divided by what? Number of circles. This can be represented like this also. So triangle is to circle. This is one part. Second part is what? Number of squares. Number of squares that divided by all the figures. All the figures. Right. Now triangle. How many triangles are there? That you have to count it now. 1, 2. 2 triangles are there. Okay. 2 triangles that divided by how many circles are there here? 1, 2. Correct? 2. Let us check out once again. 1, 2, 3. See, 3 triangles are there. Right. You need to be very careful here. 3 triangles. Right. And 2 circles, that is 3 by 2. Next is squares. How many squares are there? 1, 2. You know square. Square is one when all the sides are equal. That is by observing you can able to identify both are squares. This is rectangle. Only 2 sides are equal. So how many squares are there? 2 squares are there. How many figures are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. They are mentioned inside the, that is important, inside the rectangle. You shouldn't consider the rectangle, like 2 by 7. So the answer is 3 by 2, comma 2 by 7. This is here A, correct? The answer is A.